Good afternoon, my name is Ivonne Garcia, and this is the teacher. Today I have some questions and will collaborate with me by answering some questions about language and culture. Okay? The first question is, what do you think about culture?
Culture. Well, my name is Javier Caicedo. I'm an English teacher. For a long time, I was born in Buenaventura City. So I had to my old culture. And well, first of all, speak about culture is very difficult because culture is more than very complex to explain. Because culture is all complex that included knowledge, art, law, model, custom, and all skill in different things, When we talk about culture, we talk about everything that involves to one person or different people, Culture is something important because it's the way that the people think, It's the clothes. Culture is the food, yeah. I mean, culture is everything that involves us.
Yes, that's correct. And second, what is the influence of culture in the process of a foreign language process?
Oh, yeah. Well, culture is a determinator in the learning of a foreign language. It's very determinated because everywhere when the teacher or in different part of the world teaching something, in my case, English language, involve the culture because culture and the language is classed together. It's not separate, So involve to the student with a different way to recognize that all culture is very important for my student.
Okay. Next, how do you involve culture in your stages you use in your English classes? Give me a real example.
Yeah, a real example. For example, when I teach English to my old student, I try to my student touch his culture, and when in the real world, for example, in the different items, I try to realize or try to do exercise that involve to his culture, because when I say culture is classed together with the language.
Okay, and the last point is, what do you consider are the most important elements to success in the second language learning?
Yeah. The most important is, from where I stand, I can see the world getting smaller and smaller, and there be no play for people that not recognize the culture, And then I try to involve the child in my class, in English class, and I try to say that every person here needs a culture. Every person here is necessary that the practice is all culture,
Our language and culture unite?
Yeah, it's gone together because culture is not separate to the language. Culture doesn't exist without language. And language doesn't exist without culture. It's classed together. And nobody can separate, because if your people separate culture and language, is something that never got to be,
Okay, and thank you very much, Teacher Javier. That's all. And companions, teachers, that's all.
Okay, thank you for inviting me. I'm very happy to stay right here. Okay? Thank you.